Newen Systems is a new energy technology company based in Vadodara, Gujarat, developing advanced power electronics products and solutions for India and the globe. Our new manufacturing facility at GIDC Manjusar is India's largest facility manufacturing bidirectional inverters for battery energy storage systems and advanced power electronics solutions for green hydrogen, microgrids, e-mobility infrastructure and niche sectors that will push India into the global big leagues. Engineered with an initial installed manufacturing capacity of up to 30 gigawatts spread across 1+ million square feet with additional space to expand up to 100 gigawatts annual capacity, and maturing into a new energy technology park with world-class technology and vendor-supplier ecosystem built around Newen ethos. Our NABL accredited R&D facility is equipped with advanced simulation platforms and testing infrastructure such as heat and environment chambers, anti-islanding test infrastructure, CFD and structural analysis, hardware in loop simulations, network and grid simulation models, enabling performance, thermal, mechanical and life cycle validation capabilities. The main entrance is equipped with a secured access point. The admin building unfolds through welcoming zones and a series of well-designed spaces, fostering cross-functional collaboration, integrating engineering, operations and business teams under a unified ecosystem. Product experience zones showcase Newen's core offerings, demonstrating real-world application readiness. Employee well-being is supported through ergonomically designed spaces, games area, oxygen park and dedicated occupational health centers and modern amenities exceeding global EHS standards. Through the main gate, the manufacturing begins at the dedicated inward material docks where raw materials and electronic components arrives, supported by a layout designed for smooth material flow, from inbound logistics to final dispatch. Each incoming component passes through incoming quality control, where our engineers inspect sensitive electronics, ensuring compliance with defined engineering and quality standards. Once approved, materials are transferred to the warehouse area. High-density storage racks with large storage capacity, along with material handling systems and reach trucks, help us organize and move materials efficiently across the plant. An automated carousel system further enhances storage efficiency by enabling fast, accurate and space-optimized material retrieval. Pre-assembly zones are configured for efficient enclosure preparation and IP-rated system readiness. The materials then move into a controlled environment, where sub-assembly operations begin with the preparation of wiring harnesses, capacitor banks and resistor assemblies, fan assemblies and smaller modules. The automated line for critical sub-assemblies ensures reliable, repeatable output to meet the main assembly demand. Key components such as IGBT assemblies are automated to ensure reliability and repeatability and are manufactured in the environmentally and radiation-controlled environment. These modules enable bidirectional power flow, allowing battery systems to both store energy and supply it back to the grid when required. The process then moves to the main production area, where a vibrant and committed workforce ensures reliable quality while meeting volatile market demands and delivery commitments. With electric duct systems ensuring smooth movement across stages, 16 parallel and dedicated assembly lines, 8 for CPS and 8 for DPS, enable us to simultaneously build high-volume systems and achieve maximum demand with quality control. The manufacturing process is unique to multiple-layer power conversion system, where man, machine and tools stay, while equipment moves, enabling multi-layer quality check and skilled manpower to build scalability and repeatability. Once assembled, the systems are moved to the FG area. These are stored using vertical racking systems. From there onwards, product goes through heat run test and performance checks are monitored through a central control room, where real-time data is analyzed to validate system performance. After successful testing, the finished systems are transferred to the dispatch area, where they are prepared for delivery through automated packaging systems, ensuring damage-free handling to renewable energy plants, industrial facilities and grid-scale storage projects. In addition to panel systems, the plant's dedicated infrastructure supports battery energy storage system assembly and large-scale green hydrogen power systems up to 20 megawatts, including heavy-duty crane handling, modular assembly stations, where batteries, power conversion systems and control equipment are assembled into industrial containers ready for large-scale deployment. A fully integrated dispatch system ensures timely and efficient delivery to project sites across global markets. The facility is designed in compliance with ISO 9001 for quality management, ISO 14001 and 45001 for environmental management and occupational health and safety management systems, and is certified by the IGBC. The result is a world-class facility built for uncompromising performance. Newen Systems, engineering the future of power electronics through innovation, precision, and world-class manufacturing excellence.